This website is created for the Digital Marketing Tools course at The Hague University by To Kim Nguyen. This company is not related to any Untidy business. I chose this particular design for my website because I wanted my website to have a nice and clean look. My color palette is pretty simple. I'm making use of all the bread and a little bit of brown because all the baked goods becoming brown. I also use the color yellow and black and white. I'm not using a lot of colors because my bakery itself will already be very colorful, so therefore I wanted my website to be more professional and less colorful. For the design principles, I have made use of the contrast design principle between black and white. I personally like this contrast a lot because it is easy for the mind and easy to find, and it's still very professional. I have 5 tabs, as you can see. So this was the home page. I have my product here. If you want to buy anything, you can just put it in your cart. And there's also another feature here. Here are the reviews and feedbacks that I have gotten from my customers, a gallery, and also you can contact me here. Also on my homepage I have a little slider, a quick view, and Instagram pictures, and yeah, this was it. Thank you for listening.